Hi, this is Shashank from Measure Square. In this Android video, we're going to be covering how to add new floors, how to add instructions to the diagram, and how to add what we call handwriting at the end. So let me show you how to add a new floor first. We actually call it a tab as well. If you go on the tools icon and you go at the very bottom, you click on tabs. You can see over here, we actually have two tabs right now, new floor and basement. I can add another tab on the bottom right corner, the blue plus icon. If I click on that, I can add second floor and click OK. And to go to that floor, I'll simply click on it and it'll open up that floor for me. Let's go back to tools, tabs, and I'll go back to my floor. If I want to add instructions to the diagram, like you want to say this is red to some part of it, you can go to tools and instruction and you simply drag it out with my finger. And you can see an arrow pop up right there, and I can put something like this is red and click OK. And you notice that it says save to list. You can actually save the comment to a list and end up choosing the comment from the list later on. You can also select whether or not you want to show the arrow, and you can change the font, the size, and the color. So click done when you're finished. If I go back to tools and handwriting, I can also get something like a signature right on the spot. And this will show up on the diagram, and I'll click my check mark and I'll have it right there. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to see more videos, and happy measuring.